The world is at war. I can smell it in the air. I can taste it in the water. And I can see it on the horizon. It began with the forging of the great tanks. The Sherman was given to the Americans, freest, wisest, and fairest of all beings. The Tiger to the Germans, great engineers and craftsmen of the mountain halls. And the Churchill was given to the British, who above all desired empire. However, they were all of them deceived, for another tank was made. Deep in the land of Russia, in the fires of Kharkov, the Dark Lord Joseph Stalin forged a master tank in secret. And into this tank he poured all of his cruelty, his malice, and his will to dominate all life. The one tank to rule them all. Hey people, Raz here. Have you ever wanted to experience the bliss of angled armor?
Oh, hey buddy.
The maneuverability of all steel tracks? The raw explosive power of heat shells?
One dead Sherman.
81 years ago, the first T-34s tested their mettle against the armored behemoths of the German Reich.
Fuck this guy, he's a bitch. Bitch, you just disabled everything.
The T-34 was genius in its design. Simple, elegant, and above all, producible. Today, I'm going to show you how to experience peak Soviet bias. The two tanks we'll be building are the T-34 1941 variant and the T-34 1942 variant. Also, I'm going to try a new editing style to make these videos a little bit quicker. Instead of giving voiceover and video, I'm just going to provide you pictures and the bliss of silence.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Oh, and one last thing. To keep it spicy, I'll randomly add a Taco Bell gong noise. Enjoy.